how to request reviews on Facebook Marketplace. So the small businesses worldwide rely on Facebook and Google reviews as the new word of mouth. Positive reviews on Facebook will increase your chances of getting new customers because online reviews build trust. If you search for a company on Facebook, you will see a star rating to their business listing. Once you have a Facebook page set up for your company, you'll want to ensure your page is configured to receive star rating and reviews. Your reviews might be hidden, which means you are missing out on the chance to sang some stellar comments. In order to enable reviews, what you want to do is simply click on Settings at the top of your page, and then go to Edit Page in the left-hand column. Scroll down to Reviews. Select Settings next to the Reviews section. Change the slider from Off to On, and then click on Save Changes. You can also get the Reviews tab to show up on your Facebook page. In order to do so, click on Settings, and then click on Edit Page. You will see a section titled Tabs. The option of reviews will be visible to you. Simply click on Add tab, and then your Review tab will be enabled successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can request reviews on Facebook Marketplace. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.